Hey guys, how you doing? Coach Scott. But I have my first edition for the 2024-2025 year of Purple Wave Chemistry. All right, to talk to you a little bit about what we mean by a particle diagram. So when I ask for a particle diagram, I want to know what the particles look like, right? So let's use an example with a steel wool. So I'm going to draw my little steel wool right here, right? There's my boundaries. And inside of my steel wool, I want to put my particles. I'm going to make them pretty close because they're pretty tight. There's 2, 3, 4. I notice I'm keeping count. That's going to be real important later. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm just going to do 10. All right. So with this, that tells me I've got 10 particles. I know there's many, but we're just going to use 10. Notice there's 10 little spheres, and that's what I like. All right. So, and then I'm going to pull it apart. So I pull my thing apart. I double the size. All right. So now I've got size. Now, do I have any less or more? Now, this is what I mean. We need to keep the count the same. So I had 10 in there. I'm going to put 10 in here like so. Pretty easy. All right, but notice they're more spread out. That tells me that, well, that's good. There's 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that tells me what? I didn't really lose mass. Okay, I kept the same number of particles before as after. All right, which is what I'm trying to show. Now, if I'd lost mass, all right, and let me go ahead and erase some of this. Perchance I lost some mass, all right, then I would show it like this. Draw my little long piece, right? Then I might throw a little 1, 2. Let's say we lost the equivalent, or what? There's 8. There's 7. So then I'm gonna have one little particle there, one particle there, one particle there. It means I lost a lot of mass. But notice that the particles fell down. I'm trying to show that my particles, if there's no loss in mass, what I started with is what I finished with. If I do lose mass, then I've got some things that fell out. All right. Now let's look over here. Let's say I gain mass, right? Let's see. Let's color this one. Let's call this purple. Imagine. So okay, I gain mass. So then I've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I've got 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I've gained mass. I've got some more particles in there, right? Probably some different kinds of particles. I didn't double the size of my normal particles. I threw in some more particles in there. That's why I used the different color. Okay, so that's particle level diagram. Hopefully that helps you guys out. And this is Coach Scott with Purple Wave Chemistry saying, what? Hullabaloo, connect, connect. And we'll see you next time.